Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Tammy and I do math for coffee. We're going to do a little geometry today. We're going to talk about areas of sectors. Before we jump right into sectors, we need to talk about full circle things just to make sure everybody's on the same page with this. The area of a circle is pi r squared. Now, if you go all the way around a circle once, that central angle is 360 degrees. That's one rotation. Now, a sector is a piece of the circle. Think of it as a piece of pie or a piece of pizza. In order to figure out the area of that sector, we set up a proportion and compare it to the entire circle that it's in. The proportion we're going to use here is the sector area over the area of the entire circle, which is pi r squared, equal to the sector angle, which would be the little central angle in the yellow spot here, over the entire central angle of the circle, which is 360. Let's find the area of this sector that has a central angle of 135 degrees. The whole circle has a radius of 7 inches. So I set up our proportion area over pi r squared, and the radius is 7, so that's 7 squared. We'll set that equal to 135 degrees over 360 degrees. Doing a little bit of simplification by just multiplying out the 7 squared, that's area over 49 pi equals 135 over 360. Now we cross multiply. 360 times area of the sector equals 135 times 49 pi. Dividing both sides by 360, I'd probably just grab a calculator and do all of this. If I were your teacher, I would not want you to multiply pi through. I want you to keep it out. So check with your teacher to see how they want it done. So the area equals 18.375 times pi. That's what I got when I did 135 times 49 and then divided that by 360. Let's do it again. This time the sector has a central angle of 60 degrees and the radius of the circle is 19 kilometers. So we set up the same way. Area of the sector over pi times 19 squared equals 60 over 360. That's going to be area of the sector over 361 pi, because 19 squared is 361, equals 60 over 360. 60 over 360 is going to reduce to 1 over 6. That just makes the math a little bit simpler. When we cross multiply, we get 6a equals 361 pi. We're going to divide both sides by 6. That's a good answer, 361 pi over 6. But if you need to go a little bit farther, we have 60.2 times pi. This one is for you. Pause the video and then come back here to see the worked out solution. Hey, how'd you do on that one? I hope you got it. Again, double check to find out if you're supposed to multiply the pi through or not. I prefer you don't, but I'm not your teacher. Hey, if these videos are helpful for you, I would appreciate the support so I can grow a little on YouTube. Click like and subscribe, share it with people. That would be awesome. If you are in geometry and you would like to check out the rest of the videos I've made for you, go ahead and click into this playlist right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.